Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a very simple recipe, pumpkin shallow fry. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. To make this recipe, you will need 5 to 6 small onions, 6 to 7 green chilies, 1 full garlic, pumpkin slices. The seasonings you will be needing are 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and of course oil to fry. Peel the pumpkin pieces. Using a knife, scrape off the pumpkin seeds. Then thinly slice the pumpkin. Finely chop the onions. Chop the green chilies. Mince the garlic cloves. Add salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder to the pumpkin slices. Give them a little mix. You can also use a spoon if you prefer. Heat up some oil in a shallow pan. It's important that it is a shallow pan. Carefully place the marinated pumpkin slices. Allow this to fry until one side turns brown in color. Make sure the slices are evenly spread out on the pan. Once one side is done, turn the slices. When both sides are done, remove them from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add some more oil and the garlic, onions and green chilies. To this, add a pinch of salt and turmeric powder. Sauté this until the onions turn golden. I totally love this with fried rice, plain boiled rice, pulao and as a side dish to biryani or khichdi. This can be also enjoyed with porta or flatbread. Once they are sautéed enough, add the pumpkin slices. Mix this and sauté for about a minute. Whenever my mom makes this, it is definitely a crowd pleaser. Thank you for watching. Please do check out some of my other videos.